Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 122. In today's episode, I'm doing a voiceover of a wax removal performed by one of the audiologists in my office. They cut this up for me to voice over. I haven't seen it yet, so I'm going to try to do this in one take and see how it goes. The notes they gave me on this patient where the patient came in reporting that they had fullness and pressure in their ears and reduced hearing on both sides. From that initial view down the ear canal, it doesn't surprise me. This patient has an absolute plug of wax in their ears. The audiologist is using the curette to go in and dig out and open up a hole through this earwax. They had to use irrigation because this patient actually prefers irrigation as their method of earwax removal. But if we irrigate without at least cleaning this up a little bit, there's always the fear that it's going to push that wax a little bit further down or make it more difficult for the removal in the ear. So first things first, the audiologist is using the manual tools to go in and remove a bit of that wax. So we did some irrigation there. There was only one person in the back room with the audiologist, so we didn't have the ability to film the actual irrigation. And you can see how after 2 shots with the water, now we can actually see the eardrum back there. We still have this little bit stuck to the ear canal wall and ear canal floor, so we'll go in with the curette and actually get it all removed. Yes, question that's going to be asked in the comments, why did this patient not use microsuction? Big comment here on the form was that the patient declined being referred out for microsuction. They just wanted us to get it done. There's an ENT who they were going to go see, but it was going to take them about 3 weeks to get in. So you could see the great view of that eardrum. Now we're on to the other side. Disclaimer, if we have not seen you in our office, this is not medical advice. This video is for education and entertainment purposes only. Please, if you're having ear pain, difficulty hearing, or fullness in the ear, consult a hearing healthcare professional. So the first thing that was done on this side, again, was the curette pulled out a large chunk, and then we used a little bit of irrigation to soften the wax and get behind some of this earwax to help us pull it out. The goal always is that it's going to come out in one large chunk, and as it does, the patient's going to get instant and immediate relief. Look at that chunk coming out of the ear. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and it keeps me motivated to get this content out for education and entertainment purposes only. And we're going to pull this last little bit off the ear canal floor, and now we have a wonderful view of the eardrum. Patient has their hearing restored, no more fullness or pressure in the ear. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.